Hey, what is up you guys? It is your boy Insedian and welcome back to this brand new reaction video. So this is another Tanah Airku moment, right? From football. Indonesia top content once again. Last time we checked one out and you guys really seemed to like it, so I shall be doing more like news commentary stuff, Indonesian related content. This one is sitting at 1 million views, was released 1 month ago, right? 13k likes and 920 comments. Got myself some drink. Also shall be putting my subtitles on. The drink of choice is of course coffee, mantap. If you guys have any other recommendations, make sure to visit my Instagram page, Insedian_, link in the description. Why am I asked? Because if you boys not look at this comment section, you're gonna see me up there in the DMs. Put the applications there. Like I always tell you guys, the more people that react to this, the more likely that your boy will. For the rest, I want to thank you guys so much for listening, and for 204k subs. I love you guys, and without further ado, let's get right into this. Let's check it out, guys. I'm hyped. Oh, sorry. Let's just play it off.
Like every name played a big role in making that whole.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Where are you from?
Saya dari Iran.
Oh.
Ya, Pak.
Yo! It's insane. What does it say? Reach for your dreams? For our dreams? I don't know, but this stadium looks insane. And the music that they're making.
Hey, Mr. President, heads up.
Betapa besarnya dukungan yang diberikan oleh para pendukung timnas Indonesia tidak hanya di tanah air tetapi juga saat bertanding di arena internasional. Tidak main-main, FIFA dan banyak media global telah terkejut melihat antusiasme luar biasa dari supporter Indonesia yang hampir memenuhi stadion saat pertandingan di luar negeri maupun dalam negeri. Tidak hanya prestasi para pemain skuad Garuda yang terus meningkat, tetapi atmosfer luar biasa yang diciptakan oleh supporter timnas Indonesia juga menjadi daya tarik tersendiri. Fenomena menarik yang muncul belakangan ini adalah semakin banyaknya warga asing, bule, yang mulai mengenal dan bahkan hafal lagu kebangsaan Indonesia seperti Indonesia Raya.
Okay. I will not be pausing all the time, but I do have some couple of thoughts that I will share here and there very briefly. Two things on my mind. One, the music that they're making in the stadium is just incredible. It's just actually beautiful. My ears are listening and I'm like, wow. Second of all, I'm not really a huge football fanatic, right? I can play a little bit, but I kind of suck, right? The only thing I really have is speed. I'm really fast. But that's besides the point. When it comes to supporting football, you can be a supportive, you can support football, but you don't have to play football in order to support it. And I support it, right? Also, just for some people, it's not just a hobby, it's not just a game, it's a lifestyle. It's crazy how dedicated these people are, and for them being there, right, on the podium, it's just, they're looking forward to it a long time. So it's just really nice to see that they're just having the time of their life, honestly. Love it.
Kehadiran mereka di stadion ikut menyanyikan lagu kebangsaan bersama ribuan supporter, menunjukkan dampak besar dari dukungan nasionalisme para pendukung Indonesia yang semakin menggema hingga ke mancanegara. Ini membuktikan bahwa bukan hanya performa timnas Indonesia yang semakin diakui di kancah internasional, tetapi juga kekuatan supporter yang mampu menyatukan dan memengaruhi publik global.
You don't have to be from Indonesia.
Sekedar info, salah satu momen luar biasa dari kiper naturalisasi timnas Indonesia, Martin Paes, terjadi saat pertandingan kualifikasi Piala Dunia 2026 lawan Australia di Gelora Bung Karno, GBK. Paes, yang baru bergabung dengan timnas, tak kuasa menahan haru ketika para supporter Indonesia menyanyikan lagu kebangsaan Indonesia Raya dan lagu patriotik Tanah Airku dengan penuh semangat. Terutama ketika lagu Indonesia Pusaka, yang diaransemen oleh para supporter menggema di seluruh stadion, menciptakan suasana yang menyentuh. Momen ini menegaskan betapa kuatnya ikatan antara para supporter dan skuad Garuda. Tak hanya di stadion, para streamer mancanegara yang menonton pertandingan juga mengakui betapa menggugah atmosfer di GBK.
I wonder if these reaction videos are actually real, or is it just like that clip inserted and just a different reaction video? Because that could also be, right? Anyways, that's besides the point. I wanted to say, Indonesian patriotic songs are just the chef's kiss. They're beautiful. I don't think this is real though. Okay, so the person that made this, I mean, it's obviously kind of clickbait with this. Don't get me wrong, you're not fooling me. This is fake, right? But I do like what I'm seeing right here, so I'm just paying attention to what's on the screen at the right corner. I mean, it's even sped up.
Done. It takes an entire team to put something like this together, and people worked hard on it. Like every name played a big role in making.
Dukungan luar biasa dari supporter Indonesia membuktikan bahwa bukan hanya prestasi tim yang bersinar, tetapi juga kekuatan cinta tanah air dan kebanggaan nasional yang menyebar hingga ke berbagai belahan dunia. Dikabarkan proses naturalisasi dua pemain andalan baru timnas Indonesia, Mees Hilgers dan Eliano Rogers, telah resmi rampung.
I'm ready for Indonesia. I'm proud to play.
I don't know all of the names of these Indonesian football players, right? But it could also be some of them are Dutch, right? Because Mees Hilgers sounds like a Dutch name to me.
For the country, and I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
Hello Indonesia, I'm ready to join the national team. I can't wait. See you later, and I love Indonesia.
Hal ini menjadi kabar gembira bagi para pendukung timnas, mengingat kedua pemain ini akan memperkuat skuad di ajang kualifikasi Piala Dunia 2026. Yang menarik, kini semakin banyak perhatian dunia internasional terhadap pertandingan timnas Indonesia, termasuk laga sebelumnya melawan Arab Saudi dan Australia telah sukses ditayangkan di 48 negara. Dulu, kita mungkin sering merasa bangga mengenakan jersey tim-tim besar seperti Italia, Portugal, Brasil, Belanda, atau Jerman. Namun, saat ini, kita patut bangga karena jersey merah putih bisa melangkah sejauh ini di kualifikasi Piala Dunia. Tidak hanya para pendukung lokal, bahkan ratusan hingga ribuan warga mancanegara kini turut bangga mengenakan jersey timnas Indonesia. Mereka hadir di stadion dan mendukung dengan penuh semangat, membuktikan bahwa timnas Indonesia telah menjadi magnet perhatian global, tidak hanya karena kualitas pemainnya, tetapi juga karena atmosfer luar biasa yang diciptakan oleh para pendukung timnas merah putih.
Jersey merah putih penuh kebanggaan. Semangat Garuda tiada tandingan. Para bule pun hafal lagu kebangsaan. Skuad Garuda bangkit jadi andalan. Semangat timnas tak kenal lelah. Atmosfer stadion buat semua resah. Bule pun kini ikut memuji. Garuda terbang tinggi, tak terganti. Pertandingan timnas Indonesia selanjutnya dalam kualifikasi.
I know there are subtitles. I'm trying to check them out, but the music is just so beautiful, man. The fact that they can make music out of just simple instrumentation, just your vocals and some drumming, that's it. it's just magnificent. It kind of reminds me of like the Brazilian samba, as if you're like at a carnival. That's what it sounds like. Really lively. If there's one way to describe this type of sound, it's live. It's lively.
Piala Dunia 2026 menarik perhatian besar di seluruh dunia. Saat ini, ada sekitar 98 hingga 100 negara yang berebut hak siar
Like you can feel the
pertandingan timnas
atmosphere
Indonesia.
actually.
Berkat peningkatan performa tim nasional di bawah asuhan Shin Taeyong dan daya tarik lagu kebangsaan Indonesia Raya dan Tanah Airku yang membangkitkan semangat solidaritas.
Dampak global tersebut tak hanya di Indonesia, hak siar pertandingan ini juga menarik minat berbagai platform di luar negeri. Mengingat popularitas yang semakin meningkat dari timnas Indonesia dan komunitas besar diaspora Indonesia di seluruh dunia. Banyak negara seperti Malaysia, Singapura, hingga negara-negara di Eropa juga tertarik untuk menyiarkan laga ini. Perhatian dunia terhadap timnas Indonesia, terutama setelah performa impresif di kualifikasi Piala Dunia, menjadikan pertandingan melawan Bahrain sebagai sorotan dunia mancanegara. Mengingat pentingnya laga ini dalam perjalanan kualifikasi Piala Dunia 2026, para penggemar sepak bola di Indonesia dan seluruh dunia menantikan tayangan berkualitas dari stasiun atau platform yang mendapatkan hak siar resmi. Siapapun yang memenangkan hak siar ini, mereka akan memastikan bahwa ratusan juta pasang mata akan menyaksikan perjuangan timnas Garuda di laga penting ini. Berhasilnya timnas Indonesia melawan Arab Saudi dan Australia dengan skor imbang. Baru-baru ini telah mencuri perhatian media internasional. Menariknya, meski jauh dari Indonesia, para supporter tetap menunjukkan loyalitas mereka.
I absolutely love when other countries show love to other countries without showing a form of dominance and extreme nationalism, in the sense that they're only biased towards their own country and despise other countries and want to see them lose, right? Of course you're competitive, of course you want to win, but at the end of the day, right, show some support, show some love towards the other country as well. And that's why when that match happened with France and Argentina, the World Cup, was it like 2 years ago again? When Argentina won, I automatically disliked the keeper, because just his way of showing love, this guy's a fucking fool, in my opinion. And just the Argentinian team did not show any respect or love whatsoever. Like, I actually started to dislike Messi at that point, right? Just because of the way that they treated their opponents. Just make sure that you know it's all love, despite losing or winning, either way, right? France didn't do that, right? Or at least I didn't see it. I just find that just unfortunate. Football, not only football, just everything in the world, would be way much better if we just all showed love and appreciation towards each other without any hatred whatsoever.
Mau tahu nggak supporter Indonesia untuk mendukung timnas Indonesia melawan timnas Arab Saudi seperti apa? Nah, seperti ini, Masya Allah, tabarakallah, luar biasa tuh ya. Lihat guys, memerah semuanya, Allahu Akbar. Mudah-mudahan Indonesia menang.
Skuad Garuda terbang tinggi. Di lapangan kau tak pernah letih. Supporter setia dukung penuh hati. Kualifikasi Piala Dunia 2026 Zona Asia antara Timnas Indonesia versus Arab Saudi di Stadion King Abdullah Jeddah benar-benar mengejutkan ribuan pendukung merah putih hadir dengan antusiasme yang luar biasa. Banyak outlet berita melaporkan bahwa dukungan luar biasa dari para supporter menjadi salah satu sorotan utama. Atmosfer yang diciptakan oleh para pendukung Indonesia di stadion, lengkap dengan chant yang menggema dan nyanyian lagu kebangsaan seperti Indonesia Raya dan Tanah Airku, menciptakan momen emosional yang tak terlupakan. Dukungan ini juga terlihat dalam momen ketika supporter bersalawat yang semakin memperkuat rasa solidaritas dan kebersamaan di antara mereka. keberadaan pendukung yang penuh semangat ini menjadi daya tarik tersendiri, membuat banyak orang dari luar negeri terkesan dengan semangat nasionalisme yang ditunjukkan.
I support that. That unitedness.
Dengan atmosfer yang sedemikian megah, Timnas Indonesia bermain penuh semangat. Stadion King Abdullah di Jeddah tak terasa asing, seolah menjadi perpanjangan dari stadion legendaris Gelora Bung Karno. Para penggemar di seluruh dunia, termasuk dari Indonesia dan Arab Saudi, terpukau oleh pemandangan yang tak terlupakan ini. Kemenangan atau kekalahan, yang pasti, dukungan luar biasa dari para supporter Merah Putih dan kehadiran Yalil Hassaudi, Alfia Ibnu Malik, telah menunjukkan kepada dunia bahwa Indonesia bukan hanya sekadar negara peserta, melainkan negara yang disegani dengan semangat pendukung yang tak tertandingi.
Come on, just look at this. Hey.
Dalam pertandingan skuad Garuda, seperti Arab Saudi dan Australia, atmosfer yang diciptakan oleh
if you look at this and it doesn't put a smile on your face, I don't know what will, man.
Supporter Indonesia sungguh menakjubkan. Dengan chant yang menggema dan nyanyian lagu kebangsaan, mereka berhasil menarik perhatian tidak hanya penonton lokal tetapi juga media dan pejabat FIFA yang mengakui semangat nasionalisme yang tinggi dari supporter Indonesia. Beberapa media juga mencatat bahwa para supporter Indonesia tidak hanya hadir dalam jumlah banyak, tetapi mereka juga menunjukkan solidaritas dan semangat yang kuat, menjadikan mereka salah satu kelompok pendukung paling berpengaruh di Asia. Hal ini menciptakan momen berkesan yang dapat meningkatkan reputasi Timnas Indonesia di mata dunia.
Supporter Garuda penuh semangat, jaga nama bangsa dengan martabat. Di lapangan tunjukkan sportivitas. Bersama kita bangun Indonesia yang hebat. Garuda terbang menembus awan. Harumkan bangsa di setiap jalan. Kibarkan merah putih dengan penuh cinta. Kami bangga, Indonesia kita semua.
By the way, there was one player right here, I think. Could it be him? Not sure. One sec. You guys told me that I look like him. You guys told me I look like Ivor Jenner. Well, actually, little bit. Just a little bit. I do see where you guys are coming from. I do see why you guys are coming from. Not the same hair though, but I can see some similarity for sure. Look at that! Hey, W Dutch people, come on! I see Gouda. Let's fight for our dreams, now I see. Yo! Okay, guys. I do have a couple of thoughts. Okay, dope video regardless. Dope video regardless. But these things you shouldn't put out here because a lot of people will clearly know it's fake. And for the people that are gullible, I get why they do that because it just shows emotion, right? Raw emotion. But why fake something in that sense? Because I know these creators. Given an example, what's the name of her? Karen's. You can easily look these people up. If you will look up her name, Reaction Indonesia, what type of Indonesian content does she have? Right? She got some coverage, she got Wonderland Indonesia. You will not find anything football related whatsoever. So they're just basically, they got a clip of an emotional reaction that was initially a different reaction that she reacted to, right? And they put their own video on it to make it look like they're reacting to that video with that emotion, whilst it's clearly fake. So if they would have not done that, this video would have been great. The video is still good. But for the next time, never do that again, please, because you're not fooling anybody. Anyway, still great. Still good. Still like this. I just love the support. I love the unitedness of Indonesia. I love that, you know, Dutch people can also support Indonesia. Doesn't matter where you're from. Show love. Right? Show love. Absolutely love that. So hopefully you guys still enjoy. If you guys did so, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys like me and my content, please subscribe. Become a Descending today, because your boy is post consistently. Here's another video for you guys to check out. Rest in peace, homie Attica, Dragon Boys forever. You guys have a blessed day. And what I'll say to you is